ketogenic diet was used for the first time back in 1992. What's interesting is that it treated epilepsy. Presently, a keto diet is a successful weight loss strategy with equivalent benefits and drawbacks. Despite continuous advances in the medical world, obesity continues to remain a major worldwide health hazard with 2.8 million mortality rate among adults. Other modern hazards like diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease are related to obesity, which can be managed with a healthy lifestyle and good dietary habits. So what really is a ketogenic diet? Keto diets primarily consist of high fats, moderate proteins, and very low carbohydrates. The macronutrients are divided as 55% to 60% fat, 30% to 35% protein, 5% to 10% carbohydrates. How does it work? The mechanism includes two bodily processes, gluconeogenesis and ketogenesis. When you're under nutritional ketosis, you basically put your body under harmless starvation. For this reason, we also refer to it as super fuel. Always remember, a ketogenic diet may be followed for a minimum of 2 to 3 weeks and up to 6 to 12 months. Why is keto diet good for you? 1. High energy and performance. 200 grams of ketone metabolites gives 20,000 grams of ATP, while 200 grams of glucose produces only 16,000 grams ATP. 2. Supports weight loss. 3. Improves acne. 4. Improve heart health. 5. Protects brain function. 6. Potentially reduces seizures. 7. Improves PCOS symptoms. 8. Ketone bodies also decrease free radical damage and enhance antioxidant capacity. What you should know. Short-term side effects. 1. Nausea. 2. Vomiting. 3. Headache. 4. Fatigue. 5. Dizziness. 6. Insomnia. 7. Difficulty in exercise tolerance. 8. Constipation. These symptoms are sometimes referred to as keto flu. In long term, people who take insulin for diabetes develop severe hypoglycemia if the medications are not appropriately adjusted before initiating this diet. You almost always have a false positive alcohol breath test result. Going keto means you will risk frequent visits to the ER for dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. So who can and who cannot? Keto is contraindicated in patients with pancreatitis, liver failure, disorders of fat metabolism, and pregnancy and kidney stones. On one hand, ketogenic diet may help one lose weight, but on the other hand, this is not sustained over the long run. You will find that dietitians generally do not recommend a keto diet, especially since it's not a sustainable solution for your health. But if you want to start, always take a doctor's recommendation. Nutritionists suggest that any individual who wants to start keto diet should always weigh the pros and cons and make sure they have enough benefits on their health.